Want to live in the popular Southwest Cape Coral? Check out this beautiful second-floor 2-bedroom, 2-bath plus den condo with tile and carpet floors, open floor plan design with granite in kitchen and baths, and beautiful honey maple cabinets. Great Southwest location close to schools, on a bus route and easy access to Veterans Pkwy or Cape Coral Pkwy, dual walk-in closets and sinks and master. Gorgeous, lush landscaping surrounds the buildings and spreads across the common areas viewed from your oversized lanai. Relax by the large, heated community pool adjacent to a hot tub and a pool cabana with restrooms. This is an elevator building and the unit has its own garage.